Okay, so I thought I'd just record these, right? I went to the My Open Math assignment and it's giving you a hard time. And some of them are different variations, and maybe you understand how to do some of these, but I thought I'd just go down and show you. So for this one, I guess it's question number 2, they're asking me to find the probability that a z-score is less than 2.32, or what's the probability when you have a z-score of 2.32. So we've got it. We're looking for an area from a value. We're looking for a probability. So I'm going to make sure that is, let's see, maybe I should get a pointer going. I think I can get a pointer going here. Let's see. Spotlight, yeah. So see how the way we're looking for a probability for that as z-score of value being less than that. So I'm on the standard normal curve. It tells me the standard normal distribution, which gives me a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. And I'm looking for less than 2.3. So I want below. I'm just going to type in 2.32, and that's the probability. And actually, if I come back, I think because see, that is the answer. Let's come back here. That is the answer. Okay, so what did I just do? I click on something here. Here we go. Okay, so that's that. And then what else was giving you a hard time? Now I'm looking. Now what they're telling, see the difference? See this one, I knew a z-score, I knew a value, and I was looking for an area, looking for a probability. And this one, I think this is what we're trying to do in that Zoom meeting this afternoon. We're looking for the z-score that has this probability or this area above it. So with this David Lane applet, I want a value from an area because I know the area, I know the probability. And so we'll change our area to 0.5215. We're on the standard normal curve again, so mean of 0, standard deviation 1. And we want above that because it's greater than. And you see the way, whoops, what did I just say? There we go, recalculate. So that is, see, it's just, I knew it had to be this side of 0 because that is just better than 0.5. And the median and the mean are the same with 0, so that would be 0.5. So I knew it had to be a negative z-score. I knew it had to be a little bit past 0, and so that's what it is. And let's see if what they're telling me the answer is. Yeah, see, this might be a situation where the David Lane applet was just rounded just 2 decimal places. So I guess I think I would try. See the way they showed that answer of more than 2 decimal places? I think I'd put all of these in and see if it took it. Sometimes that this isn't exact enough. I'm going to go find a different applet, but usually it works from My Open Math. See here you were able to do this one. We were looking for what z-score cuts off that area. So you did that one just fine. Let's see what's happening here. I think this is just the 68, 95, 99.7 rule. Okay, so we want to sketch the area where z is greater than 0.8. So there's the z-score 0.8. We want to be right of that because it's greater than. And then this is in between. No, see, now this is, we need to find they're looking for the c value. So between 2 values, I guess we could solve this because to me this looks like this is a z-score. So I guess what I would do to do this answer, let's see, I'm going to go back to that David Lane applet. Where is it? Right here. I'm looking for a value from an area, just like what you did earlier. I know you did this. Here it is. Is this it? No, come down here. Here it is. So I want to know value from an area, and I want to know what? It's 0.7. So the area is 0.7, but it's in between 2 values. And that does it for us. Notice they're symmetric and the same. So what we should be doing is dragging these to negative, as close as we can get to negative 1.036. I don't know that we'll be able to. But if you see, negative, does it tell me the value? 1.36. Let's see, every line, everything's split up into 10. So 1.3, is it let me do a little bit, or is it this? I guess we'll just do that. Well, negative 1.3 to positive 1.3, and that should take it. I don't think we can get any closer than that. What does the answer say? Oh, here we go. Yeah, see, it's just a little bit. Well, actually, it's not quite so far over. In my point, I did 0.13 and it's supposed to be 0.03. Here, let's see here. Ah, that's what I did wrong. I did 1.3 and it's supposed to, so it should be like 1.04. So really, we got to just do it to 1. Okay, this caught my rounding error. So we want to go just over 1 if we can, if it'll let us. I don't think it will let us. But it's pretty close to 68%. So I knew it had to be close to, I guess if I thought about it a little more, I knew it would have to be pretty close to 1.0. So yeah, see, that's what they're doing. Okay, and this one you did okay. This one you did okay. That one you did okay. Good. Looks like you got most of it. Okay. Let me pause this video and make sure I answered all your questions.